Today, we're looking at how to use customer pain points to drive awareness of your product through social media. So one of the biggest things that people struggle with is how to create content that actually works. And I always tell people to think about what their customers' pain points are, aka what keeps them up at night, what worries about, and it usually is anything to do with money, safety, or indeed, something to do with their own customer pain points, for example. Now here, what the ASAFE group have done is they have done a little video here, and they are talking about basically steel barriers and how they are costly and difficult to maintain and often not fit for all industrial environments. So they're just saying basically these are different ones, and they're talking about then if you have tried to use the other ones, they don't work, here's a good alternative, and then the reasons why. So let's have a look. So you can see there, what they've done is they've shown basically, that how that would get damaged, and then they've shown that these ones are actually designed for the toughest industrial workplaces. So they're saying what an ASAFE polymer barrier means, and they've gone into the floor damage, no rusting, less replacements. So they're basically talking about reduction in damage to vehicles, again saving money, less replacements, saving time and costs. It's all about saving, and that's what everyone's worried about when it comes to their business. That's what everyone's worried about when it comes to their place and indeed their people. So if you can hone in on customers' pain points, then it's one of the best ways of being able to show how your product then solves that pain point. The video, I guess, really sums up the power of their product, and the caption sums up exactly what it is and why we need it. Also, it's a really good use of relevant hashtags, which will make them seen by the right people. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things that I'd want to do is I would want to ensure that I understood how social media was performing for me. So I would go to maybe dashboard, listening, and insight summary. And in here, I can start to generate a report. So I can do a full report in here. I can also view my conversation, aka all the posts that I've done across all the channels. But it's here. It's the snapshot. If you're spending time on making reels and doing content and things like that, you want to know what's working for you. So here you can see the number of followers they would have, the number of posts they've done across all their social media channels, the number of engagements that they have across their posts, the number of posts per day, engagements per post, engagements per day. You can even view their best post, so what's their most engaged post. And again, if you start to see the same kind of posts coming up more regularly, then what you would want to do is capitalize on that, and they can go in and view their content calendar. They can compare their calendar with anyone else so that they can see what's working and what isn't, and they can also schedule in content as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.